and good day to our viewers. This time I will show you how to fix the error 010397 of FUJI Apeos C2450S. There might be code after the error, but the procedure remains the same. For this error code, you might think there would be problems on the fuser assembly. But the truth is the fuser assembly is not the cause of the error, but the changes of value on the NVRAM settings. To change the NVRAM settings, power off first the printer. Then press the power and home buttons simultaneously. Then tap first the boot word, then menu word, then last the home button. Tap 1739 and number sign to access the CE mode of the printer. Tap CE Diagnostic. Tap Printer Diagnostic. Then IoT Diagnostic. Then tap NVM Settings. On the chain link, tap 744002. Then the current value must change to 0. Then go to exit mode to restart the printer, and so that changes may take effect. So after changing the NVRAM settings to 0, the error has been solved. Another day, another need ink, service redefined.